Hello ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, my name is Brad. This is my channel Animate Orange, and this week in 3D metal model news, a lot of new things have been moved over to Fascinations What's New website, and some of those things have actually been removed. Yesterday I was looking on Fascinations page and I noticed that the Mega R2-D2 and the Mega Eiffel Tower were listed as What's New under their What's New section. And I made some inquiries on Instagram from Your Toy Mart, my favorite online place to get Metal Earth models, to see if they had any information. They responded that they did have the Mega R2-D2 in stock, but not the Eiffel Tower, and did not know that the Eiffel Tower Mega was being released. Checking with things today on the Fascinations What's New page, those two things have been removed. What's going on there, I do not know. Maybe someone made a mistake, but I do know, and I will put a link in the description down below, that Your Toy Mart does have the R2-D2 Mega model, and I put that out there because I have got the Mega R2 and I built it. I did kind of get it through other channels, and I do occasionally get asked, where can you get one? Well, now you can get one through Your Toy Mart, at least while supplies last. The things that I am seeing that are new on the What's New page, and if they've been there a while, I may have missed it, and I apologize, but the Blue Dragon is now listed under What's New, and I'm pretty sure I've seen ads for that available in online stores, as well as the 34 Packard 12 convertible is under the What's New. I don't believe that was under What's New last week. And the Parrot is listed under What's New. So it looks like those models are now available. Quite a few things recently have moved over to the What's New. Don't see anything under Coming Soon today, but if we look over next at Piececool, I do see several new things at the top of their website. At the top of the Piececool website, they have like a rotating list of new stuff that they keep up. It makes it really easy to find out what's coming up or what's new. And at the top this week, they have the Bridal Sedan chair. They have the Phoenix Coronet, the Golden Toad, and the God of Fortune. And I believe a week or two back I had made mention about a post of new models, 8 new models coming from Piececool that was posted on Crazy Toys website, and I think 1 or 2 of these items look like items that were on that 8 new models coming soon. So no big surprise that there's some new stuff coming out, although a little bit of a surprise that it's 4 things in 1 week, because usually it's 1 or 2 things, but whatever, I'll take it. Very cool. Those are 4 new things listed at the top of Piececool's page. Keep an eye out in the following few days or weeks on AliExpress and eBay to see when they're available. Now, kind of going back to Fascinations, I did notice earlier this week on the Metal Earth subreddit, somebody had posted a picture from a website called fun.com that had an image of one of the Game of Thrones models as coming soon. Now, Metal Earth or Fascinations has mentioned that there are new models coming from Metal Earth that are Game of Thrones, but they haven't said what they are. Now, this appears to be one of the models, so it shows that at least one of the models is going to be architectural based, but there's no other information given, just that it's coming soon. And poking around trying to find out more information, I found a post that I think I'd seen before, but I just sort of dismissed, and it was also from fun.com. It was another post on the Metal Earth subreddit about an upcoming DeLorean listed as coming soon. So if you poke around, or I poked around on fun.com's website, and those were the only 2 things I saw, was one of the Game of Thrones models and a DeLorean model. There's been hints of both the DeLorean model and more direct hints of Game of Thrones models coming from Metal Earth, but no pictures given. So I'll be following that to see if that comes to pass, and if this is another website to be used for source material and information. Poking around on AliExpress at some of my favorite stores, I don't really see anything new this week, so that pretty much wraps up this video. As always, I try to put links to what I'm talking about in the description down below. I do want to take a moment to thank my Patreon supporters for giving me financial freedom to keep these videos and build videos coming. If you like these videos, consider becoming a Patreon supporter. A little bit goes a long way. There's also links to that in the description, as well as a link to a Ko-Fi if you just want to leave a tip, and there'll be a link here at the very end of this video. Thank you for watching, and keep it on.